Have you ever felt the fear of checking your bank account at the end of the month? Today, we turn that fear into excitement with our top 7 tips for financial success that can help boost your savings dramatically. Step number 1, automate your savings. Start by automating your savings. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a savings account. You can't spend what you don't see, right? This first step is crucial and acts as your baseline for consistent savings. Step number 2, cut unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that fifth streaming service? Take a deep dive into your monthly subscriptions and bills. Cutting down on non-essential expenses can free up a significant amount of money that could be channeled into your savings. Step number 3, set clear financial goals. What are you saving for? Setting clear and realistic financial goals provides you with a roadmap and keeps you motivated. Whether it's buying a new home, a dream vacation, or simply creating an emergency fund, knowing what you're working towards can make all the difference. Step number 4, increase your income. Sometimes, saving isn't just about cutting costs, it's about increasing your means. Consider freelancing, side hustles, or asking for a raise at your current job. More income means more opportunities to save. Step number 5, keep track of your progress. Nothing is more satisfying than seeing your savings grow. Use budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets to track your progress. This not only helps in keeping you in line, but also gives you that much-needed pat on the back. Step number 6, review and adjust regularly. Your financial situation and goals can change. Make it a habit to review your savings strategy regularly. This will help you adjust your plan to fit new goals or to ramp up your savings. If you're behind, step number 7, invest wisely. With your savings growing, consider investing. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, investing can potentially increase your wealth over time. However, make sure to do thorough research or consult with a financial advisor to make informed decisions. To cap it all, remember that increasing your savings is a journey, not a race. Each step you take builds a stronger financial future. If you found these tips helpful, imagine what knowing the 10 foods that can boost your brain power can do for your productivity and financial decisions. Check out our video on this topic linked at the end of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to DotHidden for more insightful content delivered daily to your feed. Your next step to personal development is just a click away. Leave a comment below sharing which saving tip you're excited to implement, or a savings goal you're working towards. Let's build a community of savvy savers together.